Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use custom permissions in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup. We click here on Setup and then we need just to search for custom uh, permissions. And basically here we will find the custom permissions. And as you can see, those are our custom permissions, and then you can start creating a new one. So basically, for the custom permission, it will concern a connected app or a namespace prefix. So you will need to add an app to it. So if you have any connected app, for example, this one, and now I'm just going to add, let's say, my custom, and I will just click on save, and you can also uh, license this uh, permission and you can give it after the description. I'm just going to click on save, and from here you can start adding required custom permissions if you have any. So basically you can add this one and you can start after that assigning these custom permissions to either other permission sets, or you can add them, assign them to some users. And basically, with that, you will be able to start controlling your app or any other things in your organization. So after that, you can just go to users and then you can go to any user so you can assign these custom permissions. So from here, we need just to search for our custom permissions that we can add in our permission sets. So basically it will be something similar to this, and you will need just to add the custom permission in the permission sets. So from here we need to choose any set, and then you can add some custom permissions if you are able to edit on these permissions. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.